I stand to support this highly thought of and well-presented bill for second reading. I want to say, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, that the policies of governments both at the national and state levels have not helped agriculture at all. We hear about how we budget a lot of money for agriculture, particularly at the federal level. And we know very well that the farmers that need these monies are in the local government areas and not at the national level. And yet, we've continued bringing all kinds of policies that the farmers do not benefit at all from the monies that are spent. It is my candid opinion that we should look at people who are interested in big-time farming, because even the subsistence farmers cannot feed this nation. We need now to go into agricultural business where loans can be given to people who are of interest and are willing to produce food, and let these loans be monitored properly to ensure that they are used for the purpose they are given for at least at 1-digit percentage. If we don't really take very serious action now, particularly with the oil problems that we're having, then agriculture will go down, and by the time a million Nigerians move to Cotonou or to Benin Republic, that country, the whole of West Africa, will be in trouble, because we must be able to feed our country. And agriculture should not be looked at as producing only grains. Animal husbandry is very, very important, because it forms part of the food that we need to eat. And we are also having the problem of the cow rearers now even getting into agriculture to spoil the farms, and yet we're playing politics of how to handle this animal husbandry, which is part of farming. I want to believe that these politics of grazing land and so on should be looked at seriously. I believe that we don't need grazing lands, but we need to create ranches where these animals can be kept in one place and be fed properly and be treated properly, so that the production can be multiplied within the shortest possible time for us to be able to feed this country with our meat and other requirements. I therefore want to say that we should support this program and look at it by the time this bill is sent to the Committee on Agriculture. They should look at the details of this bill more, and there should be more inputs put into it than just what my colleague Theodore has just read. And I believe very sincerely that the federal government should act, and the time is now, and the states should act, and the time is now, because people must be provided with implements, not again horse that we used to farm in our old days. I will recommend that the Committee on Agriculture should visit Plateau State and see what has been done about agriculture in the Plateau, which can be something that can be copied in many other states of the Federation. Thank you for the opportunity, Mr. President.